This poor person did another Amazon course and ended up with what I think is a terrible Amazon listing. I'm going to go through the whole thing for you, show you what they should have done better, and give you some tips on how you can make your listing world class. Now, for that kind of information, where I'm helping you build your business on Amazon here in Australia, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I'll know you want more information like this. And if you'd like me to critique your listing, post in the comment below your Amazon URL, and I'll do that for you too. With that being said, let's get into it. So here is a product. I won't give the name of the person whose product this is because I feel like we're just about to rip it to shreds. But here's a product from somebody who's new to the Aussie online entrepreneurs. They unfortunately did another Amazon training course, so we won't say which Amazon training course that was. And then this is what they put together as a result of that training course. So you tell me, they want some feedback on their product. They want to understand what they have done that's good and what they have done that's not so good. So you tell me what you believe you could improve or where they should improve on this product that we're going to critique. Images, says Dave. Okay, so, well, I mean, look at that as an image. Is that, how have they done that? Image and new tab. So the image itself that they have used is cut off like that. I mean, and it looks like, look at that edging on there. Could you imagine anything worse? That just looks like it's been cut with a pair of scissors in somebody's house. Anyway, so that obviously is a terrible image. What about this main image, the hero image? Those stack like that, I mean, that's not so bad. That's probably, the hair up there is probably the better image to explain what the hell it is. Don't start with the brand name. You should absolutely start with the brand name. Amazon rewards people what start their listing with the brand name. So I don't know where you got that idea from. You shouldn't start with the brand name. Certainly wasn't from us, but you should absolutely start with a brand name. Okay, that should absolutely go first. You are rewarded demonstrably for doing that. Okay, what else? Takes too long to read the title. Let's read that. Let me read the title out loud. Narve 50-piece black hair ties for baby girls. Okay, 3 centimeter elastic hair bands, soft scrunchies for kids, adults with fine curly hair, cotton toddler hair ties, ponytail holders hair accessories, black. That is one hell of a mouthful and reads terribly. Reads terribly. Who is that targeted at? Whoever's saying things like that, you're absolutely right. So that's a terrible title. It doesn't read very well, and the targeting within the title is terrible. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Wouldn't it be better? That looks like that's just been kind of, let's have a look at this image. Oh my goodness. Doesn't that look like it's just been photoshopped in? Is that me? Do you agree? Looks like it's been photoshopped in. So the images, listen, the images are terrible. There's no other way to say this. The images are terrible. And that's because, well, 2 of the images are the same. One image, the container looks like it's been cut by a child. That's rude to say, but it's true. It's true. It looks like it's been cut by a kid. And the good image could have been made much, much better. How could they have made that image better to demonstrate what it actually was? Let's just bring this up. How could they have made that image better? If it's for kids, why are they not in the photo? Very good question. If this is for kids, why not use kids in the photo? What about boys with mullets? Maybe. What's the price? Price is $29.99. So the question is, what is the price potentially relative to other products in the marketplace like this? Should show the target market in the hero image. Absolutely, Davo. So Dave says it should show who the target market is in the hero image, and it should, he's right. That's a much better, like if that were me, if they just had that as the hero image, that young lady with the hair, so I can actually see what it's doing, maybe that's the better hero image without having all this stuff in it. And the baby girl's only 3 centimeters. Is it long or tall? Blonde hair. That's exactly what I was thinking too. Yeah. So here, for instance, I would have that with somebody with blonde hair. So there's a big contrast. So you can actually see the product, because you can't see that in somebody's hair. Different angle of photo. Looks like horsehair. Oh my goodness. Lighter hair. So we circle magnifying glass. Blonde hair obscures the product. Yes. Okay. So clearly the images are shit. What about the title? Also is terrible. So that doesn't read very well. It's actually difficult to read. Like whenever I write any kind of copy, I always want to read it out aloud and just see how it rolls out of my mouth. Okay, that is like chewing wasps, trying to say that. It's very difficult to say. So this, now let's look at his. So here's a little tip for you. So super little tip. These here, these bullet points, every bullet point should have a corresponding image that visually says what's in the bullet point. Okay, so every bullet point should have a corresponding image that is a visual representation of the point, the main point made in the bullet point. Okay, and these bullet points, well, they should absolutely favor benefits over features. So benefits over features should be absolutely in those. Okay, where would they have gotten their keywords for this? Helium-10? I don't know. I don't know where they got their keywords for this, but all they did was they just stuffed a load of keywords in. And then the price, well, the price is the other thing. Clearly it needs reviews. Okay, the price is another thing. I don't know if that's $29.99 is good for that. Black hair ties. I don't know if that's a good price or not. I've got no idea. And here's their product description. So your product description, I don't know how many people read a product description. I'm not privy to that information on Amazon. All I know is this: in terms of real estate that it's given on a page, it ain't much. It ain't much. And in terms of where it is placed on a page, if you look at it on mobile, the product description is actually a long way down, okay? Which suggests that not many people read it. So what I do with my product description is I use it for feature-related things, and for including longer tail search terms that I want to get indexed for as well. Okay, that's what I'm using it for. If I've got like that, if you've got A+ content, that's a different thing. But if you just got that, then you know. Anyway, so lots to improve. Lots to improve. The good news is you're in the right place. You're in the right place. Go through the AOE training. You'll see how to do it properly. And you can make a lot of changes to this, which will really do a big job for you. Getting right. If the two things to immediately get to work on is that and your images. That's going to give you the biggest initial boost. Okay. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There's over 2,500 of us here in Australia from all different walks of life, with sales on Amazon of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and see how we can help you, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and you'll find out just how much we can help you grow your Amazon business. Till then, see you on the inside. Bye.